Hello.
Yes.
Where you go? Come here to me. Come here to me. Come here to me. Come here, sir, to me. Where you go?
To the cinema.
With who?
Kalisha.
You're some big old man now. You did ask me.
Yes.
Tap telephone. Tap. Want me beat you? Want me beat you? You're not sweet from morning. Dish no wash. I want to go out gagalaban with your walkless friend them. Eh?
I'm not lying. I asked you last week after school on Wednesday, and you said I could go. Grandpa.
Hold on there. You know the manners. You know the big people on phone.
Sorry, Grandpa.
We are about my piece now.
Can I go to the cinema with Kalisha?
Go on.
Okay, thank you.
Me rush, she did ask me for you, man. Me can't make her know, so me remember that dog, I figure make her go. Conscience, shut up your mouth.
Nah, man, make the picnic go.
Me can't make her go. Make her look like some sa. If me make her go, she might come back with a belly.
I'm not lying.
Pitney, how you lie, so?
I'm not lying. You told
Me never tell, Pitney, me never tell her, so go sit down, man. Go sit down.